And now a couple of words about Australian dollar. We can see that, let's have a look firstly at the weekly chart. Interesting to see that it is another week and we still speak about the pretty same levels in Australian dollar, levels around 0.75, 0.77. Last week, Australian currency tested levels above 0.77, but once again failed to stay higher and actually closed to 0.76 mark. This week, once again, we have an increase of Australian dollar, and there is potential for the pair to once again reach this 0.77 mark. However, I believe that 0.77 is the level where we should close Australian dollar long positions and think about going short, targeting 0.76 and probably 0.7550. We will watch Australian inflation figures, which are due on Wednesday. The odds are that inflation data will come out lower than expected. It seems that the factors which are influencing Australian consumer prices, like rising underemployment, retail sector, and some other markets, still suggest that we haven't still reached the level where Australian consumer prices will gain at higher pace. Lower inflation is an obstacle for the Reserve Bank of Australia to start tightening monetary policy, and this is an argument for lower levels of Australian dollar, which has actually stayed rather high in the past weeks. As a result, the resume which we'll have for Australian dollar is that the pair can and probably will reach levels close to 0.77 in the short term, but on Wednesday it will be vulnerable for decline, and we'll be looking at 100-day moving average at 0.7512 level for support and for the level to take profit on the downside.